Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with your girl Net. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these Rocky Road cookies. So please hit a like on your way in, and also consider subscribing and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on another one of my videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We'll be adding our dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of white flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now you want to give all your dry ingredients a good mix. Now for our wet ingredients, we're going to use 2 sticks of butter, which should equal 1 cup of butter. We're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And now we're going to give everything a good blend with our blender. Once we got everything nicely and blended, we're going to go ahead and add 1 egg and continue to blend. I probably should have added the vanilla at this point, but I went ahead and added it before my dry ingredients, so it won't hurt. Now we're going to be adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Now you want to give everything a good stir to make sure it's all coming from the bottom. Now we're going to get our blender and we're going to mix everything well together until it gets into a dough-like consistency. So once everything is nicely blended, we're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of marshmallows, and then we're also going to add 1 cup of sliced almonds. And we're going to take our spoon and we're going to just mix this well all together.
One might think it's obvious, please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth.
And this is what your mixture should look like once you mixed it well enough. Now I'm going in with my ice cream scooper and I'm just going to scoop a bit in my hand and roll it around in a ball and place it on the baking sheet. And I'm going to continue to do the rest, and then I'll be right back to y'all.
Think it's obvious, please don't spill your
Now we're going to set these in the oven on 350 for about 25 minutes, and then I'll be right back to y'all. And just like that, here go our nice Rocky Road cookies. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with your girl Nat. Until next time,